She's
Right.
got 5 fucking broken discs.
Oh my God.
She's out of work forever. She ain't never going back to work.
Eagle.
Yeah, there's 2 more in the tree back there, Kat.
Yeah, it'll be a little far for this camera
Let me
though.
tell you, Gladys is the one you can't see. She was huge.
Whee!
One flapping his wings over there.
Wish I was just
Come on, pretty girl.
Fred!
That might be Fred.
He doesn't listen anyways. Because he's a male, right, Daryl?
We don't listen.
Right.
We don't listen. We hear you, but we don't listen.
Fred!
Woo! He's coming down.
There's 2 in that tree.
Whoa! Okay. Oh! Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
That's a total of 4 adults over here.
Damn. Just landed up by... Oh! 3! Holy shit.
1, 2, and 1 in the bush.
Uh-oh.
Oh
Damn.
my God, my fucking card is full.
It looks like they're leaving. Alright, come on, camera. I don't know if that's a juvenile or a freaking gold eagle. Wait, come back, please. That would be a lifer. Oh my God, it's going away.
No, it's coming back.
No, it's not.
Not?
Nope. Son of a bitch.
Alright, she landed up top
Yeah.
there. There's another one there. And I think there's 2 over there, Kat.
Oh my God, is that Mama?